Hello kids, today we are going to learn a new lesson. Lesson number 9, Air, Water and Weather. Today we are going to learn a new lesson, Air, Water and Weather. In this lesson we shall study weather and climate. Weather and climate. Factors affect causing change in weather. Factors causing change in weather, changes in temperature, movement of air, sea breeze and land breeze. Movement of air, how sea breeze and land breeze happens. States of water and rain and water cycle. States of water, rain and water cycle, along with water pollution and water purification. These all points we are going to learn in this lesson. Lesson name is Air, Water and Weather. Okay, so see, weather and climate. First point, weather and climate. What do the following pictures tell us? Look in this one picture. What do these all pictures tell us? In this picture we are seeing it's a rainy season. Raining, no? So it's a rainy season. In this picture it's a summer days. Next picture is spring season, spring days. And it's a windy, means winter days. Wind blowing, no? In winter days the wind will blow. This type, in these four pictures we are seeing rainy season means monsoon season, summer season, spring season and winter season. Okay, these all pictures tell us different types of weathers are there. In one picture rains. In other picture hot means sun rays are there. In this one pleasant atmosphere, everywhere green is there. Here wind is blowing. Okay, so these are the different types of weathers pictures. We experience these weather changes frequently. We experience weather changes frequently. Some days are hot and sunny. Some days are hot and sunny. Other days it may be little cloud and windy. Weather can be defined as the condition of the atmosphere at a particular place at a particular time. Some days are hot and sunny, other days it may be a little cloudy and windy. Weather can be defined as the condition of the atmosphere at a particular place at a particular time. Weather can be defined as condition of the atmosphere at a particular place at a particular time. Weather can be hot, cold, cloudy, dry, windy or humid and generally keeps changing. Weather can be hot, cold, cloudy, rainy, dry, windy, humid, pleasant, again along with pleasant. Okay, generally keeps changing. Weather can be generally keeps changing. A similar kind of weather in a particular place over a long period of time is called the climate. A similar kind of weather in a particular place over a long period of time is called a climate. Understood kids? What is weather? It may be a little. Weather can be defined as condition of atmosphere at a particular place at a particular place and time. But climate is a similar kind of weather in a particular place over a long period of time. Understood? What is the difference between weather and climate? Climate is a similar kind of weather in a particular place over a long period of time. And weather is a condition of the atmosphere at a particular place and time. Now we see factors causing change in weather. Factors causing change in weather. Weather changes are caused due to the effect of sun's heat on the earth. Changes in temperature, momentum of air, changes in the states of water are some phenomena caused by the sun which results in change weather. Let us see how it happens. Factors causing change in weather. Weather changes are caused due to the effect of sun's heat on the earth. Weather changes are caused due to the effect of sun's heat, due to the effects of sun's heat on the earth. Changes in temperature, momentum of air and changes in the state of water are some phenomena caused by sun which result in changes in weather. Let us see how this happens. Okay? Changes in temperature. During the morning and evening, the sun being low in the sky, its rays fall on the earth in a slanting way, so the morning and the evening are cool. By noon, the sun is overhead, and its rays fall directly on the earth, which is why it is the hottest part of the day. Thus, it is generally hotter at noon than in the morning and evening. The higher the temperature, the hotter it is, and the lower the temperature, the cooler it is. Changes in temperature. Weather changes are caused due to the effect of the sun's heat on the earth. We understood that one. Now we'll see changes in temperature due to the sun's heat. How it is change the temperature. During the day, morning and evening. During the day, morning and evening, the sun being, it's a morning, okay? It's a evenings, morning's time and evening's time. The sun being low in the sky. Its rays fall on the earth in a slanting ways. Look here, kids. The rays fall on the earth in a slanting ways when it is in the morning, during the morning and during the evening. The sun being low in the sky. Its rays fall on the earth in slanting ways. In which way? In slanting ways. So, the mornings and evenings are cold. The rays fall on the earth in a slanting way. So, the climate, so the mornings and evenings are cool. By noontime the sun is overhead. By noontime many citizens, by noontime the sun is overhead and its rays fall directly. On the earth, which is why it is the hottest part of the earth. Thus generally hotter at noon than in the morning and in the evening. Thus rays, by noontime the sun is overhead and its rays are fall directly on the earth. So it is generally hotter at noontime than in the morning and that in the evenings. The higher the temperature, the hotter it is there, and the lower temperature, cooler it is. Understood, my kids, how change in the temperatures? Now we will see movement of air. The sun heats up the air. Since warm air is lighter, it rises up. At this point, cool air, which is heavier, flows in to take its place. We experience this movement of air as a wind. A gentle wind is called the breeze, whereas fast, strong wind are called the storms. Coastal areas experience sea breeze and the land breeze. Momentum of air. The sun heats up air. Okay. Since warmer air is lighter and it rises up, the sun heats up the air. Since the warmer air is lighter, so it rises up. At this point, cool air, which is heavier, flow in to take its place. When warmer air is rise up, cool air, which is heavier, flow it down and it take its place. We experience this momentum of air as the gentle wind is called the breeze. Warm air is lighter, it rises up. At this point, cool air, which is heavier, flows in to take its place, which experiences this momentum of air as a wind. Gentle wind is called the breeze, whereas fast and strong winds are called the storm. Fast and strong winds are called storms, and coastal areas experiences breeze, sea breeze and land breeze. Coastal areas experiences sea breeze and land breeze. Now we'll see what is sea breeze and what is land breeze. Land heats up faster than water. During the day, when the land heats up, the warm air over it rises. The water is still cool, so the cool air from the sea comes into take its place. This breeze blowing from sea to land during the day is called the sea breeze. Sea breeze means, kids, land. Look in this picture. Land heats up faster than the water. Land heats up faster than the water. Then what happens when water heats up? Water heats up. It rises up. What happened? It becomes lighter. Warm air. The land heats up. Warm air is lighter and it rises up. At this point, cool air is which is heavier flow in to take its place. This time, land heats up faster than the water during the day. When the land heats up, the warm air over it rises. It start rise up. The water is still cool. So the cool air from the sea comes in to take its place. This breeze blowing from sea to land. This breeze blowing from sea to land during the day is called sea breeze. Now we see land breeze. The exact opposite phenomenon happens at night. At night, the land cools down faster than the water. The air above the sea is still warm and therefore rise up. The cool air from the land rushes towards the sea to take its place. This is called the land breeze. Land breeze. The exact opposite phenomena of the sea breeze. The exact opposite phenomenon. Which one? Sea breeze opposite is land breeze. Sea breeze happens at daytime during the day and land breeze happens at night time. At the night, the land cools down faster than the water. Land cools down faster than the water. The air above the sea is still warm. It cools faster than the water. The air above the sea is still warm and therefore rise up. It rises up above the air above the sea. Air is still warm and it rises up. Therefore, the cool air is from the land rushes towards this sea to take its place. In this here, during the day, the air from the land warms faster, heats up faster than the sea, and it's a move up, rise up. That time, the air from the sea covers the land air. Means it take place. But here in land breeze, land cools down faster than the water. The air above the sea is still warm and therefore it rise up. That time its air become empty. Means this area become empty. The cold air from the land, it moves, it covers up its place. The cool air from the land rushes towards the sea to take its place. This is called the land breeze. Understood, kids? What is land breeze and what is sea breeze? You read the lesson, learn the all new words. In the next video, we are going to learn states of water, rain, water cycle, water pollution, etc. Until you read the lesson and learn the all new words. Thank you for watching the video.